Everyone sees the 1 lakh benchmark and thinks it's an overnight success moment, but not for me. It took me around 3 years, a lot of failed ideas, skills I didn't even know I was building, which helped me to further push to 5 lakh benchmark. So if you want get rich quick scheme or some magic crypto coin, this video is not for you. You can click off. But if you want to know how I made 1 lakh rupees as a student, the real way, not the Instagram edited version, because I'm going to break down the actual timeline, the failures, the burnout, and how I scaled to 5 lakh benchmark. Let's go back to the beginning, the Free Fire gaming era. My first attempt at making money online was not at all smart. It was pure passion mixed with a little bit of delusion. I started Free Fire gaming channel thinking I could become an esports player. I grinded for straight 2 years. When I say grind, I don't mean I played for fun. I treated it like an actual business or a full-time job. I was watching hours of tutorials, trying to copy the big creators, analyzing their thumbnails, thinking, okay, if I just do what they do, I will blow up. I was constantly waiting for that one clip to go viral. You know that feeling, right? You upload a video, go to the analytics page, and refresh the page every 10 minutes and hoping for the graph to spike up. But the reality, after 2 years of consistent effort, okay, not consistent, I was stuck at 1.2k subscribers, zero income, and multiple scoldings from my parents because I was in 10th grade. And honestly, it felt hard because when you put that much effort in that age while your friends are chilling, watching web series, and playing games for fun, you gain it for absolutely nothing. So after the gaming channel crashed, I had a reality. Okay, that's done. It's enough gaming. Let's try something profitable. So I jumped into affiliate marketing. Back then, Instagram was completely new to me. I was clueless how the algorithm worked, how to make viral content. I was just seeing everywhere the Instagram gurus talking about passive income, and I thought if I just post a link, people buy, I get rich. That's what most people think. I started posting on YouTube and Instagram, and surprisingly, it worked a little. I made around 2000 rupees. Now, 2000 rupees is not a lot. You can blow that on a weekend itself. But the moment I saw even a small payout notification, my brain chemistry changed. Online money is possible. But here was the problem. It was not scalable for me. I felt like a salesman, so I didn't love it. I dropped it too. But again, I left with experience. I had experience with content creation. I had experience with how Instagram pushes content. I had experience with selling. It was all stacking, so I was not starting from zero anymore. Then came my first actual win. I started a faceless YouTube channel. This was way more practical for a student. I didn't have to be camera ready. I didn't need to set up fancy lighting and all. And because of Free Fire days, I understood editing. Because of affiliate days, I understood how to hook an audience. So the channel started growing. Got 40,000 views for the first video itself and got consistent views. So the views were coming in consistently, comments were coming. The algorithm was finally on my side. For once, something was actually working. But here's the thing about being a student with high academic goals. I didn't have time to maintain it. YouTube is a beast. It needs consistent feeding, not like Instagram. So instead of letting it die slowly like the Free Fire gaming channel, I made a business move. I sold the channel for $150, which is 13,000 rupees. The 13k was not just money, it was validation for me. It told me that I was not wasting my time, I was building real skills. So even if my projects failed, I learned video editing. So I decided to go all in on freelancing. I created pages on Instagram, LinkedIn, Fiverr, and built a clean portfolio from scratch. I cold DM creators and small businesses every single day. I started posting reels on Instagram, used everything I learned about the algorithm from my past attempts, and finally clients actually started noticing. I got my first order, which is 300 rupees per reel. I used CapCut mobile to edit, and this is painfully low. I learned the CapCut PC version and smoothly jumped to it. The client was in shock because the videos were becoming so good. So I started charging 500 rupees per reel, and the client said big no. So I started approaching clients again because 300 rupees for a reel edited with a gaming laptop felt like a disrespect. Then my first jump, the man from South Africa who bought my YouTube channel asked me to edit for his videos for the channel which I sold. He paid $45 per video. Getting paid in dollars while sitting in my room, that made everything feel real. It was the moment I realized my skills are global. And then the client asked me to edit videos for his another big channel. Eventually I crossed 83,000 benchmark. Then came the biggest deal. A UK client paid 20,000 rupees upfront for a month of short form content. That payment pushed me over my first 1,03,000 rupees total online earning. The goal that seemed impossible 3 years ago was done. But here's the twist. Even after hitting 1 lakh, I realized something important. Freelancing was not for me. Don't get me wrong, it's a great money, but it's still time for money. If you don't work, you will not get the payment. It's just a work without the boss, but it's still great for someone who loves remote working. And I wanted something bigger. I want financial independence. I want to build systems that work while I sleep. So here's the honest part people don't say. That first 1 lakh took me 3 years. But the crazy part is, with all the experience, with all the failed ideas, I hit 5 lakh rupees in just 4 months. Because once you have the skills, the speed comes automatically. That 1 to 5 lakh journey is a whole different game. If you're interested to know, just comment 5 lakhs. So if you're a student watching this, don't chase shortcuts, chase skills. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.